In this video, the narrator presents a scenario where a student decides to pull an all-nighter to cram for exams. Despite the student's best efforts, this decision is in direct conflict with the body's natural circadian rhythms. The human body is designed to follow a 24-hour cycle known as the circadian rhythm, which controls processes like sleep, wakefulness, and overall activity levels. This rhythm is deeply influenced by external factors, especially light. However, for the student in this situation, the urge to stay up all night takes precedence over these natural cycles. This is a common occurrence, especially for students and professionals who feel the need to stay awake to meet deadlines or prepare for exams. The video emphasizes how disrupting this rhythm can lead to significant consequences for the brain and body. Circadian rhythm and its effects. As night falls and darkness sets in, light signals are sent from the eyes to a region of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN. This part of the brain plays a vital role in regulating sleep-wake cycles. The SCN receives these signals to let the brain know that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. However, when someone decides to stay awake, they are effectively fighting against their own biology. This disruption in the natural cycle leads to a cascade of effects on brain function and overall physical health. The body's natural sleep patterns are designed to rest and rejuvenate, and staying awake forces the body to work against its inherent rhythms. The effects of sleep deprivation. When you stay up all night, the brain suffers in multiple ways. Cognitive functions such as attention, memory retention, and the ability to make decisions become impaired. The brain's ability to focus on tasks becomes sluggish, and reaction times slow down significantly. Additionally, sleep deprivation has been shown to reduce the brain's ability to consolidate memories. This means that whatever information you are trying to retain while pulling an all-nighter is likely to be less effective. Instead of cementing new memories, your brain struggles to store them properly. This can be particularly harmful for students who are trying to learn new material in a short amount of time. Physical and mental consequences. One of the most affected areas of the brain during sleep deprivation is the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is responsible for higher-level cognitive functions such as problem-solving, decision-making, and impulse control. When you miss out on sleep, this part of the brain becomes less efficient, making it harder to think critically or make rational decisions. In the long run, chronic sleep deprivation doesn't just impact cognitive performance in the short term, it can also lead to more serious health issues. Mental health problems, such as anxiety and depression, have been linked to lack of sleep. Additionally, there are increased risks of cognitive decline and physical ailments like high blood pressure and weakened immune function. Conclusion and lessons learned. In conclusion, while pulling an all-nighter may seem like a necessary evil in certain situations, the long-term effects on both mental and physical health can be severe. Disrupting your body's natural circadian rhythm has a direct impact on brain function, cognitive abilities, and emotional stability. The lesson to be learned here is that sleep is not just a luxury or a time-wasting activity. It is an essential part of maintaining both mental and physical health. For those who find themselves frequently staying up all night, it's important to recognize the risks and try to find a healthier approach to managing time, such as starting earlier, taking regular breaks, and prioritizing sleep. If you want to be more productive and retain the information you are studying, making sleep a priority is key. In fact, research suggests that sleep actually enhances learning and memory, making it more effective than any all-nighter could ever be. Personal opinion and final thoughts. From personal experience, I can attest that staying up all night to cram for exams never works as well as we hope it will. Sure, you might push through a few hours of study, but the next day, your brain feels foggy, and the information you tried to memorize often slips away. I've found that establishing a good study routine and ensuring a proper sleep schedule not only helps in remembering the material, but also keeps stress levels in check. So if you're someone who's in the habit of staying up late before exams or important tasks, it might be time to rethink your approach. Start early, sleep well, and let your brain work at its best.